Hi, this is Ed from Buck's Dog Training, and I just want to go over how to put on a Herm Springer pincher collar. Pincher collar has two ends. It has a small, thin plate with a hole in it, and then it has a chain with links on it. All you do is make a U. You take the chain link through the thin plate, like that, and then you bring up the hook that's at the bottom of the chain and you clip it in. So I'll do it one more time. Hang the collar from the links, bring the plate up, so there's the hole, chain link goes into the hole, and then the clip is right in.